Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you today how to create an account with signup.com in order to manage your parent-teacher conference sign up. So the first thing you need to do is go to the website. So you're going to type in signup.com. Then once you're at the website, you need to create an account. So it's very simple to create an account because you can do it using your MCPS Google account. So you're going to start off by clicking register in the top right-hand corner. You're going to choose the email you want to register with after you click on sign in with Google right here. So once you get to the screen, you're going to choose your email. The easiest one to do is your MCPS Google account. And then it's going to automatically create an account for you. So when you first create the account, it's going to look like this. You have no signups yet because you haven't created anything. Now, as soon as you create an account, you need to send me an email letting me know that you have created it with whatever email address you have created it with. And at that time, I'm going to transfer your sign up over to your name. So I have created a sign up for each teacher in the building, and I'm going to transfer it over so that you are the administrator of that sign up and you are the one who can manage it for the parents. So once I transfer that sign up over to you, it's going to show up on your dashboard here. It will also show up under my invitations, under upcoming signups. You'll see your name with parent-teacher conferences right there. If you click on it, you can see what it will look like from the parent perspective. So as you'll see, this link will be shared with parents, and there are available time slots all the way from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock on Monday, November 23rd and Tuesday, November 24th in 15-minute time slots. Each one has the Zoom link, the ID, and the password that you provided in your the Zoom link. In the Zoom spreadsheet, sorry. So in addition, once parents sign up for a conference, they will receive a confirmation email. They will also receive an email one day before the conference. Both emails will contain your Zoom link, ID, and password. So in order to manage this, you're going to go back to your dashboard. And you're going to click on your parent-teacher conference sign up. And this will bring you to a calendar that shows you when your available signups are. So you'll see they're on the 23rd and the 24th. These will be all set for you when this sign up comes over to your email. And if you click on the date, you'll be able to see each time slot and who has signed up for it. Whoever signed up for it will end up right here. You can also, if you have a parent who is unable to sign up on their own, if you want to talk to them about it, you can also assign slots to parents. So you would just click on assign here, and you can put in the name or the email address of the person that you're signing up for, and then you press close. So you can also do it that way. This way, you can keep track of who has signed up, what time slots are still available, and you will also get a notification anytime somebody signs up for one of your time slots. If you need any support with managing this or creating an account, please let me know. Thanks, everyone.